Cool. Maybe you can hear my voice a little bit. Anyway, here's the side marker we're going to be changing out with the new ones with the cameras built in. So this is the right hand passenger side. So it just has 2 screws. So we will. This is the first time I'm taking these off. So I don't know what's under here. So basically, as you can see, it has your red and your black, which were white and green. So we will replace them, exchange them out. I want to clean this up, just scrape off this old silicone and clean this spot up, so when you put the new one over, I'll put a little bit of that silicone over so it's all watertight. We'll be back in a sec. Okay, so you got the old one off, got it up, got your ground wire, and you got your right pump.
Ooh, look at that. Wiring up the driver's side. So in hooking up the other one, we tested it on the camera and paired it with the camera, and it worked, and it is an amazing picture. It'll be so nice driving down the road. Be able to see beside us.
So basically, this green wire that's ends over there comes in because they're not directional. They're just
So it's not passenger
running lights.
driver, it's just running lights. Yeah.
So
Okay.
the green was the hot and the white was the brown. Again, just feed the wiring back in, real careful. I'm just putting a little bead.
We're in the shade, sorry. On the shady side now.
Doesn't really need it because it's got a gasket.
Yeah.
But I'm
Did you on the other side?
not yet.
Oh, okay.
That's it. This is the pairing button. So basically, when I get in there,
See it here.
we'll push that, and it's got to make it click. If you can't push, you got to push more, like with a screw or something in there, like that. You can't feel it really click.
Okay.
So we'll do that, and then this could go
I pulled it out.
like that.
Oh, okay.
That way it kind of gets down the side. But we can adjust it however we want.
Yeah. Okay. So we'll take you inside.
Anyway, so we got them hooked up, and got the left side and the right side.
It's a fantastic picture. So
Yeah.
much better.
And then we'll mount the one on the back, and so we'll and so then I can have all 3 playing.
Yeah.
So
That'll be good.
Driving down the road, I can see who's hanging out back there.
Yeah. So we don't hit them.
Well, or you know,
Just hanging
I'll
out.
have it recorded.
Yeah.
Oh, and this also, you can put a SD card in it.
Be a good idea.
And record going down the road.
Yeah. What are you doing up there?
Taking the old one off.
That we have, and then we're going to put it, the Halo Vision, at the very front up here on the driver's side. and then run it all the way down along the air conditioners. So that is my little job right here. I'll try to get this camera set up and we'll see if you can watch me. So first things first, I'm going to wipe it off with alcohol, the area where we're going to put it down. It's right here. Clean this super good. Let it dry. Not too dirty, we just had it washed. Peel this off. Brackets. You just 3M stick on. So one before the connection, I don't know if you can see it, one before the connection and then one after the connection. There's my honey. Okay, so trail all the way down. Okay, we are finished with the Haloview backup camera, right?
Yep.
Haloview backup camera install. Okay, so here we've put the display on our jockey box. In our truck we have a top one and a bottom one. So we put it here, can easily still open it, access it. Just did it with Velcro. We're gonna see how that does. Yeah, command strips. But Greg can see it pretty good. We did put the shield on it. I don't know if you can see it. Yeah, there you go. We put the shield on it at first. There was too much of a glare.
Glare shield.
So,
we still have we even have the protective cover still on the screen, so
oh.
we just leave it on.
I think we do. Yeah, but check out that picture. I mean,